As part of the electoral process, candidates of the National People's Party had filed their nominations today, the 3rd of February 2023, at the office of the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills. These include Mohendro, Rapsang and Dasakhiat, Lamare. Family members and supporters of both candidates were present during the filing of the nominations.
I'm always helping people. It's you people who are thinking that I'm doing it just before election. You know, it's being highlighted because elections are coming. But if you see throughout the 5 years, I've been helping people throughout, and not only in my constituency, I'll tell you. Any people, be it from any constituency, any part of the state, if they come to me, if I can help, I will help. That doesn't mean that I'm trying to, do anything wrong or anything. I'm helping throughout the year, throughout 5 years. Mawati, Nongkrem, and anywhere else.
Yeah. We've seen the other political leaders have asked the voters not to vote for businessmen. What do you have to say on
See, candidates ask for so many things from people, and I think it's totally it's the right of the people to choose whoever they want, be it a businessman, a doctor, an engineer, or anybody. It's the right of the people to vote. So by them telling them not to vote for businessman, it doesn't mean that people will not vote a businessman. So I think it's totally fine. It's the right of the people. They will do what they want. They will do what they need. They will calculate and they will do what they want. Yeah. Thank you, guys.
While your nominations today, what do you have to say about this?
I'm so happy that I could file my nomination papers today, and I'm happy at this juncture to be an NPP candidate. But I am confident with the program of the government, with the pro-people program and the dynamic chief minister we are having. I'm sure we are going to win this seat also, and I'm sure that we are getting a majority of the seat in the next election.
What are the main issues and agendas in your constituency on which you are focusing?
There is no major issues as of now, but when I'm re-elected, my program to make my constituency a smart constituency will carry on. I'm so sorry because the 2 years affected of the COVID, I could not continue with the maximum of the work which we have to do. But I'm very proud to tell you now, 5 crores has been sanctioned by the Shillong Smart City in my constituency. As we speak now, the work is going on. As you have seen, we have done beautification program in the whole of our constituency. You have seen that we have changed the LED light from normal light to LED lights. Water system, distribution system has been done. But in the next program which I'm going to come, you'll see a pro-people program. You'll see that I'll earmark my MLA scheme for the youth to come up with a startup skills. I'll put some money as a seed money. 50 lakh of that money will be put only for youth entrepreneurship program. I want to make my youth entrepreneurship. This year election will be a very peaceful election. We have taken care everything into consideration. This is the first constituency where the CCTV have been connected to sensitive area directly to the police stations. So that issue of security, issue of it's been taken care of.
Just one last question, direct question. Which candidate do you take as your more tougher opponent, BJP or UDP?
Both the candidates are tougher to me, but I make sure that I'm going to overcome them both. Thank you.